Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I am here to talk about an exciting opportunity, that is 6-week internship on full stack web development with MERN. This internship is brought to you by Edunet Foundation in collaboration with AICTE. Now let us check the internship details. At first, this is a virtual internship which is of 6 weeks, and the last date to apply for this internship is 31st January 2025. And the main important thing is eligibility. So let us check who are eligible for this internship. If you are a student from any specialization with a passion for learning, then you can directly apply. And there are 6,000 openings. And let us see the details about this program. This internship is your gateway to master full stack web development using the MERN stack. And in this internship, you will gain hands-on experience of MERN stack, and you will get mentorship from industry experts. You will get idea on real-world projects, and also you will get certification from AICTE and Edunet Foundation. This will help you to showcase your resume too. And the perks of this internship is personalized mentorship, hands-on project experience, industry recognized certifications. If you haven't created an AICTE account or unsure how to register for this internship, don't worry. I have already made a detailed video explaining the step-by-step process. You can watch that video starting from the 2 minutes mark, where I have specifically talked about how to apply and the application process for this internship. If you are already familiar with the process, that's really great. You can directly apply by clicking on the apply button. I have given the link in the description. I have also provided the link in the description for your convenience. Just remember, the last date to apply for this internship is 31st January. So make sure to submit your application as soon as possible. That's it for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye bye.